welcome back. And I just want to point out, this is the first video without this stupid thing. Hoodie. Yeah, I literally just got out of the shower, so no way in hell that I'm wearing a hood over my head. But anyway, we move on. We are not working on this. The last video we was, we're not anymore. Not in this video anyway, we'll be in the next video, so stay tuned to see that little rebuild. But what we're doing today, well, I say today, it's absolute pitch black out there. What we're doing is rebuilding that engine. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to move the mower just back up near that door, and I'll put the bike on top of that, and then the mower will be over there, out my way. And then what we're going to do is we're going to bring out my multi-tool and get a wire brush on the multi-tool and just give it a bit of a clean up in there, oil it up, and then pull it all back together. So that's the plan. That's what's happening in this video. So I want to quickly say, if you lot don't know why I'm doing this, so I don't know if this is right or what, but my granddad said to me, everything in an engine shouldn't be bone dry, it should be oiled or something. I don't know, he said something else. Who knows if that's true? I'm just listening to what he said. And he said the reason this ain't going as quick as you want it to is because this part here and this part here is bone dry. So I'm just here to fix it. Hopefully I can fix it. Right, quick drink, and then we'll get the old rotatory tool, give it a sharpen up. Right. Just thinking now, where am I going to put the camera? I'll put the camera here. Should be able to see it. Not quite. Tell you what, this voice that I got for Christmas works out to be a better tripod than anything else. Right there. I believe that's, yeah, look, that's what I'm going to be doing there, and then also, where is it? There. Ah, so much mud all over the place. I cleaned this place out earlier. It's because of that lawnmower. So I'm happy with how that's turned out, to be honest. Compared to what it looked like before, go back a few minutes and you'll tell the difference massively. There it is now. There's a lot more black showing instead of brownish colour. Sort of like the rust and whatever paint they've used on it. It's turning out to be quite good. So I've just got to do this side now. That's probably where most of my time will go, because it's rusty as anything on the inside. As you can see there, rust. So, right, let me get back to it, I guess. hope that was some content for you, because I've probably just gave myself rust disease or something. But anyway, we're going to oil it up now. I've said this in my last video as well, right? Don't use this stuff. If you're going to buy oil, 3-in-1 multi-purpose oil, it's honestly the best brand of oil ever. I don't think WD comes close to what this can do. And this stuff actually foams up as well, which is actually decent on stuff like this and this. Get that oil all in there, soak it all up. I've actually done this before on my quad bike once before, so this isn't new to me. Story actually, one of my videos, right, I said the quad bike that is at my granddad's currently, that used to be mine, never actually was in this shed here. But I tell you a lie, it actually has been in this shed. It's been in this shed for, I think it's sat in here for about 2 years before my granddad brought it off me. There's a little fun fact for you. Alright. Get that spring covered in it. Needs it. That bolt at the back. Job done. Right, what I'm going to do is let that soak all through the night now. So I should come down here, literally, and I should be able to wipe it off with a glove. Not a glove, a towel. Can't even get my words out. I should be able to wipe it off with a towel, and hopefully that sorts it. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to push the bench over in that corner, get the lawnmower, bring it like here-ish, and then that's it, everything's on my way then. And then tomorrow I can just come in here, plough on, get done with the lawnmower. I won't show too much of that in this video. If you want to know why I'm doing that lawnmower, please do go check out last video, because that will explain a heck of a lot more than me just showing you in this video. But I hope you did enjoy this video, and we got to use some of my new tools. But I will see you lot in the next video. If you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe, because it helps me out massively on this journey of fixing and restoring anything with an engine, the Honda, scrap bike, and the new project already in my colours, the lawnmower. I'll see you lot in the next one. Bye bye for now.